Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making stuffed peppers. Yes, I said it. Stuffed peppers. Yes, Amir? Amir's eating cookies right now. So I'm going to be making stuffed peppers. I'm going to be using an orange pepper, a green pepper, and a yellow pepper. And yes, I still have my decoration up from my little party that I had. Oh, you can't see it. But yes, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this video, and turn on your post notifications. This is some of the stuff you need for the stuffed peppers. You can add your own toppings and stuff like that. Some people like to put ricotta cheese. Yeah, all the stuff is cheap, not so bad. Got it from, you could get it, all the stuff from your local supermarket. This was $2.69. One pack of cheese is fine. This was, let's see. Well, this is expensive. I would have went to Family Dollar and got it for $1. But it's $3.29. It's not bad. And the meat was $4.86. So I'm going to be actually making 6 peppers. I have 3 here right now just to show you guys the colors. And yeah, let's get into it. Adding rice. I put rice in the stuffed pepper. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, if everybody do it. I put rice. I'm putting 3 cups of rice and 6 cups of water. The rice that I'm using is... Yeah. Big bag. Liz actually looking at me while I'm saying this. You guys can't see my face because how the camera is. I just wanted to get it on the rice though. Yep. You guys see Amir'e in the back. Stop spitting. So guys, I gotta play music to start. Well, this is the ground meat. I got it up on 7. This is the rice. I put salt and butter in it. And I have this on its highest temperature. So these two are going to get going. I'm preheating the oven. I want to say oven. So put it on 350 or 450, whatever you like. And I'm going to start cutting the peppers. Say hi. Okay, so now we're going to be cutting the stuffed peppers. I don't know why he have 2 knives out, but okay. Want to put them in a bowl or plate when you cut it? We're going to put them in this bowl. Hopefully it fits. What do you want to tell the camera? Okay. Huh? A bag in this vacuum. Bless you.
You gotta wash these up. You wash them already?
I have to wash them out. Yes.
Ooh, look at this one.
Oh gosh, it's stuff over there still cooking, guys. Yeah. Mia's crying because he want to be up here. Oh, you want me? Okay. Do you want to help to cut the peppers? Okay. Don't touch nothing. You actually smell it, right? It smells good. My favorite is the yellow. Yellow, 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 yellow. Yellow. Oh, that was bad. Which one are you gonna eat? Yeah.
Maybe the orange one. And these.
Oh, we gotta take up the stickers too.
Yeah.
So right now, guys, I'm washing the pepper out. I can't even get the sticker off. This one doesn't have a sticker, so I'm gonna wash the inside and the out. mainly the inside to get out all those little seeds that were left in it. Can you take the stickers off for all of them, please? Compress them in cold water or lukewarm water. Prefer the cold waters out. And the peppers can rip easily. This one here is like tearing on the side. So when that happens, you just don't put a lot of stuff in there, guys. Or be very careful. See the little seeds that's in there. You can't really see it, but turn on the right. This is how the inside is going to look when it's completely clean, no seeds in there. I'm going to show you one with seeds in it. Some of them don't have because the way you cut it. It's get too hot and something. Okay, this one has seeds. Amir'e tired, she's crying, tired. This one has seeds as well. It's not so much seeds, but you don't want the seeds in your food. Look how this one easily rips. So this one we know we have to, like, I don't know, come around it and like stop right here. Stop in this area, I guess. Mia's being a spoiled brat. Okay, come on. You want to say hi? Say hi. Oh. Make a thumbnail. Here, make a thumbnail. Make a thumbnail. He was like, what is this? Put foil around to hold it so he's got rice inside. Okay. Okay, you can put the meat down. That baby's so good. And scoop, and then we're gonna top it with the cheese. Okay. Did I get the cheese popping? This is how I look. I put the foil to hold it up. This is gonna go in the oven. Got it popping. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom.